Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a volume audio on a CapCut apps. Now let's get started. If you wanna set a volume for this audio at your video, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on the audio, click on it, and after this you can click on to audio again. And now at the bottom you can click on a volume, click on it, and in here you can swipe left or right this dot icon like this. In here you can set a volume for this audio, and after this you can click on the check icon at the bottom. It's so simple, right? And I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.